Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to convert PDF file into plain text and open it in Notepad for free using Adobe Reader. No paid software, no complicated tools, just a simple method you can use on any Windows PC. So let's get started. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Reader, free version. Now go to the top left corner and click on Menu. Then select Save as Text. Click on it. Now choose the location where you want to save the file and click Save. Now your PDF is converted into a simple text file that you can open directly in Notepad. If you don't see the text option, it means your PDF version doesn't support direct conversion in Adobe. And that's it. This is how you can easily convert a PDF file into text using Adobe Reader for free. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more simple tech tutorial like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.